How to activate dark mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually get dark mode on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to get dark mode on TikTok app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch a TikTok application. Once you launch TikTok, if I just come to my profile page here, you'll notice that I'm on the light theme. So if I want to switch to a dark theme, what do I do? In order to switch to a dark theme, after you come to the profile page, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to go to settings and privacy. Then once you come to settings and privacy, you'll find all these sorts of options where you just need to scroll down and then look for the option called display. Then just tap on display, and when you tap on display, you'll find all these options where you can just tap on the option called dark theme, which is at the very top, to instantly switch to dark theme. Or you can turn on use device settings. This means that if your TikTok app is in light mode, or if your iOS is in light mode, then your TikTok app is also going to follow accordingly, or if your device is in dark mode, it's going to follow accordingly. But to switch to dark, you can just select dark, and then you can see instantly that my TikTok app has been successfully switched to the dark version. This is simply how you can get dark mode on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.